finally here in Romania, and it's all thanks to the guys of Explore Dobrogea. Explore Dobrogea. So they invited me along with several other bloggers from all over the world to explore the Dobrogea region for several days. And I'm quite excited about this because obviously this is my first time here in the country. Our first day will officially start tomorrow, so today I kind of have like a free day to explore the capital, which is Bucharest, because that's where I am right now. And I'm planning to head over to the old town to buy a SIM card as well exchange my money for Romanian currency. And other than that, yeah, I'm just gonna walk around. So obviously I don't have enough time here, but I'll try to make the most of it and see as much as I can. I just got my money and I'm heading over to the old town now to explore it as well as to look for a SIM card. By the way, it's Sunday, so much like what I would expect from Europe, Sunday is basically like a dead day. It's like a ghost town over here. There aren't a lot of people going around, which is nice for me because I don't like too much crowds. It's really hot out today, so I had to buy some ice cream. I got the biscottini flavor, it's really good. Today is officially the first day of our Dobrogea info trip, and our first stop is here in the city of Constanta. Hello. You too. What video is this? What video is this for?
This is for yeah, my poor quality vlogs. That's not a knife. This is a knife.
We have a feast.
Yeah, this one.
Look at how bloggers work.
No, it's not bloggers. In my life.
Oh look,
now I feel like I'm back in the Philippines.
Again? Look at them. That's when I thought the feast was ended. As we are driving to our hotel, we just had to stop because we saw this sunflower field. I no longer drink for 2 years now, but whenever they serve me alcoholic drinks, I always try to at least take a sip. This one is a local wine here in Sarichoi. It's really sweet. It can be a wine that I can drink, but it's really strong though. So 2,000 years ago, this used to be the bottom of the Black Sea. But now it's just sand dunes. Also, if you go straight over there, it will already be the border to Ukraine. We're here, right on the border. Then you can see over here, that's Ukraine. And then this is their piece of land, which they kind of didn't let Moldova take. And now there's food! We are given 3 plates, and the first thing that we have to eat apparently is on the first plate. Polenta. So this looks like a pretty intimidating view, and I even have my own name here. They thought I still live in Belgium.